Hey everyone! Today we teamed up with Intel to create a stunning custom gaming PC for PAX East, where our friends from Gigabyte will be showcasing this beautiful build. This case has been futuristically designed by...
You like my new ride? I'm from the future!
Is this supposed to be from Tron? I don't think putting RGB on...
Hold on, Intel's calling. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'll be there. Duty calls, gotta go! Just give me some time. We haven't figured out the motorized thing yet, you know?
Yeah. Luckily, this case actually looks like it's from the future. Modern design from Gigabyte and our own custom RGBs to give it that extra punch. Not only that, this PC has some of the finest components from Gigabyte. We're featuring the Gigabyte WindForce GeForce RTX 4070, Gigabyte Z790 Aurora's Elite X, and to top it all off, we have the Intel Core i7-14700K. What a powerhouse! And there's so much more that's really going to juice it up. Keep watching because we're going to be giving this bad boy away to one of you. Let's jump right into it. We're gonna start with the Aurora's Elite X Z790. Dang, it's heavy. Wow, I love all the plates on it, especially cover everything up so it looks nice and sleek. Now we're going to put in the i7-14700K 14th gen CPU. And we're done. Now we have our DDR5 RAM from Gigabyte as well. I'm putting 2 in, but it is going to be 32 gigabytes total. Now we can move on to the bigger stuff. This bad boy. Here's the Aorus Water Force X360. So we have 3 fans for this one. This is the Gigabyte 1000 watt ATX, 80 plus gold certified, fully modular as well. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070. So I know I plugged in all the cables for the GPU and also the 24 pin as well, but let's spice it up a little bit. I'm going to be adding some RGB PSU cables into it to really give it, you know, the blue feel since we have blue LEDs all around the case. Bam! Oh, dang, doesn't this look sick? All the blue inside. We have the PSU cables, the RAM, the AIO cooler, even the actual screen itself is blue. And we also have the fans that I changed the color to blue as well. And not only that, we also have the custom LEDs in the front that also give it that futuristic feel. But wow, this computer is one freaking powerhouse. We have the 4070 inside, we have a nice 360 cooler, and to power everything we have the i7-14700K. Isn't that insane? Can you imagine all the different games and all the different editing tools that you can use at the palm of your hands right here? Everything you see here is covered in Gigabyte. The case, the PSU, the RAM, the AIO cooler, the motherboard, and then also the GPU. And not only that, also the friggin' SSD is also Gigabyte. Everything you see here, you can do it from head to toe with Gigabyte. And we did it! Check out the links in the description below to see how you could win this dreamy PC that's built with some of the strongest components from Gigabyte and powered by Intel. Why settle for less when you can be one step ahead? In the future, be sure to explore the amazing components that Gigabyte and Intel has to offer, and hopefully we get to see you there at PAX East. Make sure to like and subscribe for more great builds from me, the PC Engineer. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.
Bye! Hey, did you build that?
I did.
Can I have it?
No.
I'm out of here. Bye!